everybody, Susan from the Leach Portage Service, working from home. I just thought I'd share a quick and easy activity with you that you could build on over the next few weeks. This will work for all children, including older children in the family, and hopefully yourselves, and have a bit of fun. So today I'm just going to share with you my singing bag. The positive aspects of singing are personal social development, mathematics, simple copying, speech and language, communication, and obviously physical development. So it covers a whole range of things. A lot of people will have heard a lot of people talking about objects of reference. We use objects of reference in our singing bags. Hopefully children will recognise the object and understand what's coming next. Right, so straight on with it. Very simple bag. Anything can represent a song, so some things are quite obscure. I think everybody will know this one. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. So what we would do is show the object to the child. Star! Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Put the object down and sing the song. You could build this into your daily routine, so every day before bedtime we sing Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Star, twinkle, twinkle, little star. It doesn't have to be a nice little star like mine. It can be, that's a sponge that I've picked up. And also you can get little Christmas decorations that are sparkly stars. You can even cut it out a piece of card. It doesn't have to be anything too exciting. Here's my set of hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Doesn't have to be anything elaborate. I mean, these are laminated, but it doesn't have to be laminated. So, oh, hands! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Two simple songs, objects of reference for those songs. Pop them in a bag every day. Pick one out, sing the song. This can be developed into choice making. Would you like to sing hands or star? Eye pointing, reaching out to take, anything that will make sure that your child's making a choice. So just a couple more ideas of things that are in my bag. Whack, 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 whack. 5 little ducks. 5 little ducks went swimming one day. You see, can't help myself but sing. Teddy bear. Any guesses? Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. Quite like his bandana. One of my personal favourites. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. The best part of that song is the anticipation of building to the scream. If you don't know the songs, that's fine. You can choose any song that you know and find an object of reference to go with it. It can be quite diverse. Ring a ring of roses. It's a ring. It can be anything. It can be a ring that goes on your finger. Obviously keep things safe for your children. It's a circle. Wind a bobbin up. The purpose of it is just to make sure you're using the same object of reference for the same song every day. Children will soon become very able to recognise what's coming next. You'll find that they have favourites. That's really good for choice making. You can put one that you know that they'll choose and one that not, and then take that one away. Incy Wincy Spider. You can use pictures. The wheels on the bus. I've forgotten the name of that song now. Hickory Dickory Dock. You see, not using that one often enough. So, you can have a group of your family. You can all choose a song out of the bag in turn. It's a turn-taking activity. It's a waiting activity. If you've got a child that's not got much mobility, you can move the legs. Row, row, row your boat using the legs. It's an easy activity to do, and it keeps you busy over the next few weeks. So, if anybody would like to post any pictures of their activity, their singing bag, I'd love to see them. Take care, everybody. Bye.